Good afternoon, welcome back. I hope everyone's having a great Labor Day weekend. This is my design team project for the month of September for On A Whimsical Adventure, and it is a Halloween junk journal. Anya had a new junk journal kit out with the theme of Halloween, but she also had a digital scrapbooking kit on her Wheel of the Year series, and I've used both of those in this book. The cover is leather. It's a kind of a beat up piece of leather, which I thought fit. And then this little piece here is inlaid into the cover, and it was 3D printed for me by my son, and I thought it just went really well. I am not a real big Halloween person, but a friend of mine's son was born on Halloween, and for her, Halloween is bigger than Christmas. So they decorate and do all sorts of things, so this journal is going to be for her. This is from the digital scrapbooking kit. But I had a whole lot of fun with this because I did a lot of collage work. This is my collage work. This is the digital junk journal kit. It comes this way. So they're intermingled, but it was just, like I said, a whole lot of fun to do things, find images on Pinterest or from her kit of people and witches and wizards and kind of combine it all. I left a few places that are rather blank because I'm sure she'll want to put pictures in here of her parties and her son's birthdays. But they can also leave this out for like guests to sign or writing a memory about one of the Halloweens that is his favorite, or just have it as part of, they have a little welcome table in their home, and it could sit out just to be flipped through for an interesting, different thing. So there's a lot of things in here about magic and spells, but then just a lot of highly decorated pages that still have a little bit of room for additions. The ephemera in the kit included some things like this little envelope, which is a tuck. Also, I've made it a tuck spot. But the little cards, I decided to use these from the Graphics Fairy membership site because I thought they were more appropriate to what the son would like. And so I put those in there, but not a lot of that kind of thing. Once again, I don't think the journal's going to be used in the way that we think of using junk journals for the most part. In this little pocket I had some old scrapbooking paper that had these various labels, and I thought that would be cute to put on. They make up some special brews and desserts and things and give them crazy names for her parties at Halloween, and I thought she might could use those. My friend is a great paper crafter. She makes beautiful cards, and she has all sorts of die cuts and things like that I'm sure she can embellish some of these pages with what she has on hand in her own craft workshop. I just don't think that she's ever gotten into the book binding. So this will be something a little bit different for her to have. That's my dog in the background crying because I'm flipping through a book instead of paying attention to her. This is another one of the little pockets that comes with the kit, and some more items from little cards from the Graphics Fairy membership site. Kids his age have been Potter fans, and I thought this bird that looked a little bit like Hedwig would probably be something he would respond to rather than the cards that were in the kit. So that's the end of the book. It's small, but I think it's packed with a lot of little interesting images, and if you were going to make a regular writing in junk journal, you could just add tea or coffee stain pages in amongst all of these highly decorated pages for a real thick, interesting journal. Have a great day. See you again soon.